Hi. Welcome to the 5 Best Review. Here we bring the best brands for you after research so that you can make a smart purchasing decision. Today we present the 5 best portable seat to buy in 2021. Before diving into today's product list, don't forget to hit the subscription button to stay updated. If you want to check further, links have been added in the description box. Let's get started. On top of our list, in first place we have the Travel Chair Slacker Chair. The Travel Slacker Chair is actually a portable seat or quad-pod stool that distributes the weight of the user evenly. Its steel frames prevent it from collapsing and folding while you are seated. Because it is made of Oxford polyester reinforced with a weave, this travel chair will faithfully move from place to place with you without ripping apart. The sturdy powder-coated steel frame will not succumb to rust, and so you can bring it anywhere next time you camp. It is reasonably priced considering the material it's made of and its durability. Though the manufacturer is unclear on the warranty period, this seat remains one of the best on the market. You may have to contend with a short carrying strap, but everything else is great. Features: it is quite small. Durable fabric. Lightweight and strong. Moving to the next one of the list. In the second position we have the SitPack 2 Compact Foldable Seat. The SitPack 2 is considered the most foldable seat on the market because it is basically a tube that unfolds and locks to accommodate your weight at every part you lock it. It weighs 1 pound and folds into a tube that you can take anywhere. Granted, you will need a carrying bag for it, but that is also part of the package. This chair's locking mechanism made of Pearl-X makes it possible to lock it at any height that suits you. It has a rubberized grip that holds on firmly to the ground, whether concrete or grass, and then unlock the tube till it reaches a height comfortable for you. The material, polycarbonate, is sturdy and known to withstand just about anything. Though this seat is a little highly priced than most, its technology, user-friendliness, and sturdy material make it an ideal investment. Features: travel-friendly size. Relieve back and leg pain. Use on any surface. Coming up next. In third place we have the Maul Portable Telescoping Stool. The Maul Portable Telescoping Stool is a tube-like portable seat made of polyamide plastic that is known to last long. The material is not affected by weather elements, and so you can take it to any outdoor activity. It is also eco-friendly for those keen on saving Earth, which is quite light in the carrying case it comes with. It unfolds and locks to 12 positions, making it ideal for all heights. It also has a maximum load capacity of 130 kg, though some reviewers say it can handle more. A strap measuring makes it easily portable and ideal for any travels anywhere. It folds into a small circular object that is super easy to transport, and you can open it easily by holding both ends and pulling apart. Features: adjustable height. Durable and sturdy. Portable and lightweight. Now moving to the number 4. Spofine Mini Camp Stool. The Spofine Mini Camp Stool is super light at 1 pound when folded. The seat is made of Oxford cloth that is durable, easy to clean, and rip-free, while the frames are steel and not prone to corrosion, made of aluminum to withstand any weather. It is the ideal sit to bring to an event to give reprieve to your feet when you have been standing for long hours. This seat, available in small, medium, and extra large, is aesthetically pleasing because of the orange and black base. Each of these sets comes with a carrying bag that makes it easy to port around. It folds out and back easily. Features: super lightweight. Durable material. Made of quality material. In the 5th position we have the Emu Portable Chair. Emu retractable folding stool is made of high-strength nylon ABS and can handle a maximum 300 pounds. Because it unfolds to several positions, it is ideal for people of varying heights. Actually, its last buckle link can be adjusted up to 19 inches. It folds easily into the most compatible item and you don't have to worry about carrying it because it comes with a circular strapped carrying bag. Some reviewers say it locks a little too strongly, making it hard to unlock once you want to fold it back down, but it gets easier after a while. The seating area is wide and evenly distributes weight. Users of any height can use it, which is why the maker doesn't specify height requirements. Features: Unique locking. Friendly material. Telescopic stool. Thanks for being with us throughout this video. We hope that you have already made up your mind for the right best portable seat. Do comment if you have any query and don't forget to share it with a friend. See you guys in the next video.